Hello, hello. Testing, testing, video, video. Good morning po. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I'm back. David po. Kalahati ng may-ari ng page ng David and I. So I'm here right now in our home court. Nasa home court po kami ngayon. Home court namin is Yokohama. So itong pong park na to is called Shin Yokohama Park. So malapit lang po to sa bahay namin. Hello ma. Hi ma. Doing this live video right now. So nandito po kami sa Shin Yokohama Park. Ito po ay isa sa mga favorite park ko na puntahan. Kasi unang-una malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. 30 to 35 minutes drive lang siya away from our house. So it's really accessible. And to me, in my opinion, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang park na napuntahan ko sa Japan. Parang feeling ko lahat kompleto na. So, ito pala, gusto ko lang palang i-share kasi napakaganda ng araw ngayon. Sobrang ganda po ng weather ngayon sa Japan. Bali ngayon is 21 degrees, it's autumn. Yung pong mga leaves malapit na maging yellow lahat. So ito po kasi yung mga, gusto ko po kasing i-share yung mga stuff na I'm really grateful for. Like this day, it's a really beautiful day. Just being in this park, just being in this place, I really am grateful. And gusto kong i-share sa inyo, sa mga nanonood, yung mga stuff na I'm grateful for. Kasi I think na gusto ko rin palang makita nyo yung side ko, side of my world. Nandito kami sa Japan. So in some sort of way, because I'm grateful, I want to like send love to people because I'm grateful. So in this way, sana makapag-uplift ako in some sort of way. Sa mga nanonood, merong 2 million pong nanonood ngayon. Isa na si mama doon. So yeah, I just want to share this side of my world, this side of our world, and send like positivity or like uplift somebody who are gonna watch this. Kaya yun po, this is a really really beautiful day, beautiful morning, and itutour ko po kayo dito sa place na to. Malaki po tong park na to, pero yung pong malalakad ko ngayon, yun po yung iikutin natin. Kaya ito po ngayon, hanapin ko lang yung paano ba iikot na. Samahan niyo po ako maglakad. First of all, hahanapin ko po muna si Zoe and I. Let's go. So ito po, ito po yung place namin. Nasa ilalim kami ng tree ngayon. It's really beautiful. And pinili namin itong place na to kasi nasa tapat siya ng park. Ayun ang playground. So si Zoe makakapaglaro siya. Sobrang dami pong tao ngayon. It's a really beautiful day. And one thing that I noticed about Japanese people po is they love going to park. Ako po, I grew up in Tarlac and in Quezon City. Hindi ko po naranasang mag-park. I mean, siguro nag-park kami pero hindi ganito yung parang vibe na nafe-feel ko. It's so different. Hindi siguro pala park na country ang Pilipinas. We're more of a beach kind of a person siguro or family. Kaya ito po napakaganda po. Ito lang po yung isang segment. Sobrang dami pong families na naglalakad, tsaka ng mga naglalaro. Tsaka iba kasi yung feeling rin na to be surrounded with kids. Kasi if you're living na in Japan for a long time, gusto ko lang i-share Kasi, di ba nga, they say that Japan is an aging population, an aging country. Saan kaya sila and Zoe? Oh well, so they're aging. So most of the time, sometimes pag naglalakad ako, pag nagko-commute ako, puro matatanda yung nakikita ko. Puro matatanda sila, like mas minsan meron mga days na Mas marami pa ako nakitang matanda kaysa sa bata. So, ayun po yung mga isa sa mga napapansin ko sa Japan. Now that I'm surrounded with kids, nakaka-energize. Okay. Gusto ko lang pong makita kung nasan sila Zoe. Let's find Zoe first. Zoe, ay! Ang dami pong bata. Sobrang ganda po ng play area dito. Isa sa mga gustong gusto ko talaga puntahan sa Japan is parks. So sa Japan, nagsimula kaming magpunta sa mga parks. Kailangan ko lang makita sila, Ai and Zoe. Anyway, hindi ko sila makita. Baka nandun sila sa taas ng slide. Zoe! So, let's go to this side po. Yun, dun sa side po na yun, meron pong parang football field. Football field po, naglalaro po yung mga bata. Ito rin palang park na to, just to add. Hindi ko lang po sure kung makikita nyo. Ayun po yung Nissan Stadium. So ano po siya, isang malaking stadium kasi ito pong park na to. Ito po yung home court ng team namin. Team namin sa Yokohama, it's called Yokohama F Marinos. Shades lang po ako, masyado pong sunny. So yung F Marinos po na yun is a football team. Tapos defending champion po yung Yokohama. So malaki po ang fan base. Malaki ang fan base ng Yokohama in football. So defending ayun, nakita ko na sila Zoe. Yeah, okay. Gusto ko lang pong makita niyo po si Zoe or Zoe. There we go. Hi V. Zoe. Hi! Zoe! Zoe! So, nag-enjoy po siya mag-slide. Go up the slide. And let's go down, Zoe, and say hello. Merong 3 million na nanonood ngayon, Zoe. Let's go. Ready? 1. Hands up, hands up. Yeah! Zoe, high five. Zoe, high five. Stand up. Touch, touch. Papa. Masyado po siyang busy maglaro. So yeah, let's go on the tour. Samahan niyo po ako, medyo malaki po to. Malaki tong park na to. So itong park na to, meron po ditong tennis court, meron siyang football court, at saka meron siyang baseball, at saka meron siyang basketball court, at meron siyang dog park. So, napakalaki po nitong park na to. As you can see, sobrang dami pong naglalaro. Sobrang dami pong gumagawa ng mga tent nila. Tatayo sila ng mga tent nila. It's very common po dito sa Japan. Sa park, may mga nagtitent. Ayan po, naka-camping po sila. Naka-camping. Tapos meron dito, dog park. Sobrang ganda ng mga dogs sa Japan. Like one thing I noticed, Japanese people they love dogs. Tsaka ang ito po, malapit tayo sa dog park. So ito yung dalawang football field. One, and the second football field. So dog park. Ito po yung dog park. Yan. So yun nga po, babalik ko sa sinasabi ko. Yung napansin ko sa Japan is, mahilig sila sa dogs, tapos mahilig sila sa mahilig sila sa poodle. So ang daming poodle dito sa bansa na to. Pero yun po siya, one example, poodle. So cute. Di ba nga, meron pong parang pinakasikat na Japanese dog, his name is Hachiko. Hindi ko lang po alam kung napanood niyo po yun. Hindi ko po siya pinanood kasi alam ko iiyak ako. Ito po, yeah. So napakadaming pong dogs. So many dogs. Iba't ibang klaseng dogs. I've seen a lot of dogs before, pero yung mga breed dito sa Japan, I think it's different. I don't know, it's just my opinion. Pero sobrang ganda po ng mga aso ng mga nakita. Like this one. I think this one is a greyhound. I don't know. I'm not really. Sobrang ganda po ng mga aso. Let's see. Daming dogs. Yeah, so this is my side of the world, and ito palang vlog na to. Nagpa-practice ako ngayon. Every live video that I'm gonna do is I wanna put intention on it. So itong video na to, itong live na ginagawa ko, my intention is for you to see Japan, kung gusto nyo makita ang Japan, and to somehow uplift you guys or inspire, and to show this side of my world. Yun po yung intention ko dito, para somehow spread positivity, spread good vibrations kung saan man po kayo nanonood. I'm trying to. This is stepping outside my comfort zone again. Hindi pa po ako I'm not really good at this, but I want to be able to try and do it and see, baka one day, you know, mas marami tayong ma-inspire. Ang gaganda po ng aso. Wait lang, gusto ko pang pakita sa inyo. Ang gaganda po ng aso. One of my favorite breeds is Golden Retriever. Napakadami pong Golden Retriever. Ang lalaki po ng mga dogs. So yeah, this is also another intention for you to see the dogs of Japan. And yeah, kaya isa po sa favorite thing ko rin sa park na to is meron pong basketball court. Yan, para sa mga Pilipino, basketball. To me, I really like basketball, not only because I grew up seeing people playing basketball, because nakakatulong siya sa akin. Like, napansin ko every time that I'm tense, or every time po na kinakabahan ako. Kasi I remember when I was pregnant with Zoe, kinakabahan ako nung malapit na siya mga anak. So, ang nangyari, ginagawa kong outlet yung basketball. Yes, mamaya ikukwento ko si Toby and Lily, my favorite dogs. Yeah. So my mom told me na sabihin ko sa inyo si Toby and Lily. Yeah, it's one of my, I love those dogs. Hindi ko dati maintindihan bakit sobrang mahal ng mga tao ang aso. Right until na magkaroon ako ng aso. Yeah, so I miss them, but I know they're happy in dog heaven. So if you have a chance, guys, own a dog. Practice bago kayo magkaroon ng anak. I think that's a good practice. Kasi owning a dog is like having another person. It's another being. So kailangan mo siyang i-nurture. Kailangan mo siyang pakainin. Kailangan mo siyang i-shower ng love. Kailangan mo siyang i-exercise. Same as how we do with people. Yeah, I miss my dog. Ma, thank you for that thought. Thank you. So going back to basketball. Itong basketball kasi, sobrang naging outlet siya sa akin para mawala yung kaba ko. Nung kasing nagbubundes siya sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako araw-araw kasi I don't know how to be a father. Now I know how amazing life can be if you are a father. Yun po, nakatulong po yung basketball sa akin para talagang makapag-relax, makapagtanggal ng kaba and all. Not only basketball, siguro anything in life, as a person, you need to do exercise at some point. You need to do some kind of a sport. Kasi once you move your body, ang daming magagandang nangyayari. Ang daming magandang nangyayari. Like, you will look good because you're losing weight. Second, like, you can think right. You can think clearly. And you'll be more disciplined if you want to be better on what you do. Kasi in sport naman po, alam natin na in order for you to be better at any kind of sport, you need to be disciplined. You need to be consistent. You need to do everything, every single day, 165 days a week in order for you to be better. So I think for us beings, for us humans, kailangan natin ng ganun. Just for us to grow. Just for us to be better. Kasi if you are doing that, then your mind will be clear. if you have a clear mind, your reality will change. So yun po. Ito pa. Bukod po sa basketball, going back sa tour, ang dami kong sinabi, pasensya. I just like to share my thoughts about, kasi po ako, I'm into personal development right now. And I want also to share to you guys, kasi personal development, ngayon ko lang to actually binigyan ng emphasis talaga. It really is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Kasi being better every day gives me, alam mo yun, parang sobrang na-energize ako. I feel more energized. When I wake up, I feel like I have more purpose kasi gusto kong maging better every day. So it gives me like, it gives me more energy as a person. I feel more, sorry kung di nyo marinig, may nag-a-announce. I feel more energized as a person. I feel that my life is more vibrant. So yun po yung nagagawa sa akin ng personal development. And now that I've discovered it, I think that's the thing that I want to do for the rest of my life. To keep better in every day that I do. I just want to be better every day. Meron dito, ito po, very rare. Hindi po siya usual. Isa-share ko po sa inyo. Meron pong mga kainan. One thing po na ang Japanese people ay known for is sa line. Sobrang favorite po nilang pumila. Haba po ng pila, di ba? Pero hindi po nila yan. Parang it's normal to them. So, ayan, meron pong kamote. Meron pong yakisoba. Daming food. Meron pong hotdog. Sumimasen. That's excuse me in Japanese. Merong dim sum. So this is very new. Hindi ko to nakikita dati. So apparently, nakukuha niya siguro yung power niya. Itong store na to, dito sa car. O, diba? I've never seen it. Or this is a marketing. Yeah, this is... Kasi now in Japan, slowly they are transitioning to electric cars. So marami na po yung mga ganyang mga kotse ngayon sa mga sa daanan. So ito nga pala yung sinasabi ko kanina dahil ang daldal ko. Yan, yung Nissan Stadium. Ayan ang stadium. Ginamit siya na actually sa stadium nung, I think it was the gold medal game. Gold medal game siguro. Nag football sila dyan. O, salamat nga pala sa 5 million na nanonood ngayon sa akin. Thank you. 5 million viewers. Thank you for your insights every time. So ito, bukod sa basketball, look at that. Basketball. On the right side is, sa likod po nitong mga kainan, is look at that, skating area. Natatakpan lang po siya, pero merong skating area. Hindi ko po alam kung naririnig niyo po ako ngayon, pero it's loud. It's loud outside. I'm sorry if my audio is like really loud right now. This is live. Hindi ko po siya alam ayusin. Maingay lang talaga dito sa labas. Yeah, ito lang yung skating area. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung skating area. Marami rin. Ngayon, marami na pong nag-skate sa Japan kasi sobrang dami nang nananalo ng gold medal sa kanila at an early age sa X Games eh. So there you go. Skateboarding area po. I think this is the only area na I think you have to have a membership or I don't know if it's free. Hindi ko lang po sure. So ayun po yung part na to na tour natin. And maraming salamat sa 5 million viewers na nanonood ngayon. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat at sinamahan nyo ako magsalita. Sinamahan nyo ako magdaldal dito sa isa sa mga pinakamagandang park sa Japan. Isa sa mga pinakamagaganda at pinakamalaking park. Gusto ko man po kayong iikot sa lahat pero sobrang laki po eh. So, malaki po. Kailangan ko ng golf cart siguro next time. Next time, let's try the golf cart. One more time. Tignan mo, daming tumatakbo. Ito yung na-notice ko kasi daldal ako ng daldal kanina. Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo. Itong road, may color blue. So, this is where the runners go. And one thing about Japan is sobrang dami nilang runners. I think they do this in every school and every curriculum. Marami talagang nag-run. Kung sa atin, basketball, volleyball, hindi nawawala. Dito, hindi nawawala yung track and field. Hindi nawawala yung running. Ay, ito pala, meron palang golf cart eh. So, yun lang po, no? Maraming salamat at sinamahan nyo ako dito sa pagtutour. Galing ko yung salamin ko para makita ko yun. Salamat at sinamahan nyo ako dito sa live ko. Sana somehow I've transferred positive energy or positive vibrations to everyone that watched, to everyone that nanood ng live dito. Sinamahan akong dumaldal, sinamahan akong mag-share in this side of my world. Basketball court, dami pa naglalaro. Actually, yung intention ko talaga ngayon is to play basketball. Gusto ko talaga mag-basketball. Pero it's a beautiful day. I would rather be with my family and play with them, play with Zoe. Next time ko na lang gagawin yung basketball. Ayun po siya. So yun po, maraming salamat. And again, my intention for this is to share. Paulit-ulit ako, no? I just want to be clear na I hope na nakita nyo yung side ng Japan. Sa side ko, through my eyes, through my daldal. And I hope na na-uplift, na-inspire, nasendan ko kayo ng positive energy in some sort of way. And yeah, I hope to do this again. Because like kahit na po kinakabahan ako ngayon, to be honest, I'm really nervous. But I just want to step again outside of my comfort zone to help me grow. And salamat po in joining this journey to me in growing to become the best version of myself. And thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Ma, thank you for watching. And Mama Viole rin, sakto. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa susunod po na live. This is David, kalahati sa may-ari ng David and I. And I hope and I wish you all a good and a productive and a blessed day ahead. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you.